What's going on YouTube? In this video I'm just going to show you real quick on how my headlights look after I applied the Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit to it a year ago. And I'm going to show you also my tonneau cover that I've had for 3 years now. And this is the restoration kit I used. I'll put links to this restoration kit and the tonneau cover that I bought down in the description. Well, my headlights, pretty easy to go over this. This is what they look like. Here, I'll show you a close-up. I am very happy with how they turned out. They still don't look really too much different than when after I did them. So I'll put the before picture from my old video on here. And if you want to see how I did this, I'll put a link to that at the end or down in the description too on how I put this restoration kit on here. I almost think these are going to probably last another good, I'm hoping another year. This is my other one. Definitely still good and clear, not all fogged up. That's my headlights. Now let me take you back and I'll show you my tonneau cover. This is my 2007 Tundra. This is the only thing maybe I don't like so much. This tonneau cover never lays real perfectly flat right there, but for the price I paid for that tonneau cover compared to paying $1,000, I'm really happy with it for being 3 years old. It is hard. See, there's metal under it. So this is 3 years old. Now there's a rail system that goes on these Tundras that I never put on. So you'll see how I hooked mine just in case you want to maybe hook yours that way. But you got to unhook this. Unhook that spot there. Unhook this one here. You see what I did there? I just put little 1/2-inch PVC around my bed, around that little lip there on my bed. And then, well, this is how this looks after 3 years. My truck sits in a garage, so that might help. Really don't look any different than it did 3 years ago. I'm going to show you the only thing that ever happened to this. This all looks really good here. Some of these screws, I guess, started to rust when I left, because I've left it open before. It rains on it. But this metal is nice because if I put stuff in my bed, like I've shoved limbs and stuff in there, they won't shove up through your tonneau cover. And that's it. Just a little bit of rust there. Maybe a little rust on that one. I mean, you could always replace these screws, but I think they're still in okay shape. The rubber's still real good shape. Looks like that one there, for some reason, started to pull through. I don't know what I did. Now, some of my goofy kids like to get up on this thing before. I don't know. The hook, the little things to keep it open, still look real good shape. There's another piece. There's the other piece, still good. That's it. Oh, here, I'll show you how I did the front. Right there, I had like a piece of aluminum U-channel that I bolted on the side of my truck here in the bed, and I cut out a little spot for this to hook under. And that's how that stays hooked up to the front. That's my tonneau cover. Well, I just looked too at the time of this video, so if you're watching this video a year from now, it might not be true, but right now, that tonneau cover that I have, I'm sure what I paid for it, but if you buy it right now today, the day I'm making this video, it costs around $500. I'll put that tonneau cover down in the description. And I have a 2007 Toyota Tundra. So just make sure you get the right size for your Toyota if you decide to buy one of them. Now you could spend $1,000 and get a lot fancier tonneau cover if you want, but that's worked fine for me. All right, I hope you liked that little review I gave you of my headlight restoration kit and my tonneau cover that I have on the back of my Tundra. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Leave me a comment down below if you found a really nice tonneau cover for around the same price that I paid. God bless and have a great day.